Court is back in session and court's announced the docket, the motion to revoke probation docket. Next case is cause number 330738. Case of style of state of Texas versus McQuisha Sade Johnson. Ms. Johnson, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have Ms. Johnson appearing via Zoom. Ms. Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. I just was well, I had pneumonia in November the 21st, so I couldn't be able to go to the Spindle Top November 30th. And I was also exposed to someone with COVID. So I go take my COVID test tomorrow, but I already started a job at Kiki's Soul Food. But I got to do my COVID test first tomorrow at Walgreens.
Okay, now, Ms. Johnson, I see here your case was initially reset for you to hire an attorney. We're gonna reset your case. Again, we'll be praying that you, everything come out well with your COVID test.
Yes, sir, please.
And we'll be hoping that you're able to start your job. Now, what we're gonna do is, I would assume that you haven't hired your attorney yet, is that correct?
Yes, sir, because I've been sick.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna reset your case 60 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hopefully, if we reset it 60 days, that should give you a chance to
Yes, sir.
Start working and where you can be able to hire an attorney.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, your case is gonna be reset to March 18th of 2022.
Yes.
Your bondsman will be given a copy of your reset. Stay in contact with your bondsman. You're free to go. And again, we are hoping that everything turns out well with your COVID test and employment. Okay?
Okay, and you say March 18th
Yes, March 18th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
at 9 a.m. Okay.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, next case is cause number, is on our announcement docket. Is cause number 329826. The person's name is Anil Chandali. Chandali.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Chandali, how are you doing?
Well, I'm doing great. I was just hoping to get a reset because I was talking to like 2, 3 attorneys, but they said like I have to be in the office to talk about the case, but due to the exposed to the COVID, and I had my COVID result positive, so I was not able to go. So
Okay. So we're gonna give you a reset. So we hope that you we'll be praying that you have a full and speedy recovery from your from COVID.
thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, this case is going to be reset to March 18th to give you an opportunity to hire your attorney. Again, we're praying that you have a full and speedy recovery. This will conclude your case. So this case is reset to March 18th, 2022 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, that's nice. That's quiet. Which? Okay, just have him to come in. I didn't have it checked off before. This is cause number 326852. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Kendrick Edward Banks. We have Mr. Banks appearing in court. Mr. Banks, is that your full name, Kendrick Edwards Banks?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Banks?
I'm all right. You?
Okay, I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Banks, now, your case was reset several times for you to hire an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you hired your attorney?
No, sir. I'll go ahead and do the court appointment.
Okay, he's gonna have to get you to fill out some information. Just have a seat in one of the chairs back there that have the black and yellow tape on the back.
Okay.
And he'll give you the paperwork that you need.
Okay.
Daniel Hayes,
Okay, I got,
she's been sitting there.
okay. Hayes is here.
Carl,
I didn't have her check.
She
She
been out
appeared.
there, but she never checked in.
Okay. We need to get Mr. Cobb.
He just walked out.
Okay, we can get Danielle Hayes. If they're ready. I don't know if they're talking on. This is cause number 329154. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jamal Fitzgerald Jesse. Mr. Jesse, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jesse, you was previously, does he have bond conditions? You, okay, you was previously appointed to, you was previously appointed Antoine Freeman to represent you.
Yes, he told me the last time I spoke to him that he was gonna get some other job, so I would have to, I guess y'all would have to appoint me another lawyer. I don't know.
Oh, so he told you that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And,
I haven't heard from him since.
You hadn't heard from him since? Wow. Okay, we're gonna do an order to rescind. His name is Jamal. Okay, your attorney, we can do an order to rescind the previous appointment. Your new attorney is Attorney John West. You're gonna stand on the 4X. And our court coordinator will give you a reset.
Yes, sir.
And once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too.
You know who that is? Just a number.
Oh, I didn't never asked. Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has, I guess the phone number, last three digits was 771. Would you please identify yourself?
Your Honor, that is Miss Narcisse on the announcement docket today, that number ending in 771.
Narcisse?
Jennifer Narcisse, yes, sir.
No, second one I'll try.
Okay. Ms. Narcisse, you could take your mic off of mute. Ms. Narcisse, can you hear me? You might have to let her know she can take her mic off of mute.
Let me give her a call, Your Honor.
Okay.
Right, but he's not on vacation, he is new to her this afternoon, so.
We have another cross.
This is cause number 330110. Case file of State of Texas versus Jacob Allen Reed. Mr. Gary Barber, would you please put your mic on mute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, again, this is cause number 330110. Case of style of State of Texas versus Jacob Allen Reed. Mr. Reed, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Reed?
All right.
Okay, now, Mr. Reed, your case is reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you hired your attorney?
Yes and no. I mean, he ain't paid yet, but he was supposed to call up here and reset it for me.
You hadn't, well,
Well, because I don't have the money to pay him right now. My girlfriend does that. I'm gonna pay him when I leave here.
okay. Okay, so you're gonna be hiring an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give him a 30-day reset. Stand on the X, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Cool. Okay. Thanks, Dan.
What's that reset date? March 9th? Once you get your reset, Mr. Reed, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Vasquez, were you able to get in contact with your client?
Judge, I left her 2 messages and a text. My guess is she stepped away from her phone for a minute.
Okay, well, we'll be here. We'll come back to you.
Okey doke, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. This next case is cause number 329282. Case is filed the state of Texas versus Danielle Renee Hayes. Ms. Hayes, is your full name Danielle Renee Hayes?
It is, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Hayes?
I'm doing wonderfully.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Hayes, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Cobb. Mr. Cobb, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine here.
Mr. Cobb, what is your announcement in Ms. Hayes' case?
Your Honor, I filed a motion to suppress, depending upon that motion. We may go forward on the motion to suppress or, if it's possible.
Okay, so you just, okay, just set it for, I guess you have to set it for here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Is it
hold on a minute.
possible to set it on a Friday? So that, so you could,
That would be easier.
right.
Okay, hold on a minute, wait. When our court coordinator comes back in,
Okay.
she'll reset your case. We'll get it, set it on a Friday for a motion to suppress hearing. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So Ms. Hayes, once you get your attorney is going to be given a copy of her reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney. Okay. Here she is. We need to get a on Danielle Hayes, page 2 of our announcement document. We're going to reset it for a motion to suppress hearing on a Friday. Give us about 60 days.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
We're gonna put it at a, let's set it for like at 10 o'clock, 10:30 probably.
March 18th. I don't have my phone on me, but
Yeah, we'll do it March 18th.
That's fine. You said at 11?
Yeah, 11 will be fine. I mean, that'll give us a chance to take care of our other stuff. Now, Miss Daniel Hayes again. Your attorney's gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. You can stand over there by your attorney. You're welcome. Same here. Mr. Cobb, did your other client? You have another client.
Holmes, I have not been in contact with him. I called
Mr.
him.
Bailiff, would you please call the name of, is that
Quinton
Quinton Guns?
Something might have happened because I've been calling him. I think he lives in Houston.
Is that motion gonna be filed?
Hmm?
That motion, you said motion to suppress.
Yeah, he said he already filed it.
I don't see it. When did you file it? Oh, yesterday? Okay, you just haven't received it yet, I guess.
Well, it's been, we got the notice.
Did it? Okay.
Okay, Mr. Cobb, we'll give you a chance to try to make contact with your client, Mr. Gomes.
Yes, sure.
Okay,
I'll try calling again.
okay,
I've already called him a couple of times this morning, but I let him know to appear by Zoom, gave him the Zoom code. He hasn't even shown up on Zoom.
He's gonna get a copy. Yes, he needs a copy. Ready to sign it? No, ma'am.
oh, that's Banks right there.
No problem.
Okay, Mr. Bailiff, would you please get, is that Gary Barber? Yeah, he was, I see, oh, he sure was. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, he's not up there now. Okay. Who do we have? Did Juan Jimenez show up? Oh, no, we have, what about Juan Yet Vicente? And Justin Cruz Turner?
No.
Okay. Let me see, Mr. Banks is filling out his form. He is trying to call her. We'll be in recess. Yes.
Judge Holmes, I'm so sorry, my phone keeps dying.
Okay. Okay, we're in session in calls number 328-358, calls number 329-558, and calls number 330-566, cases filed in the state of Texas versus Gary Christopher Barber. We have Mr. Barber appearing via Zoom. Mr. Barber is represented by his attorney, Mr. Langston Adams. Mr. Adams is also appearing via Zoom.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Barber, you can put your mic on mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Mr. Barber's case?
Judge, if you wouldn't mind, would you please set it on the trial docket?
Okay, give us the date.
We can do March 28th.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset for trial March 28th of 2022. Mr. Barber, stay in contact with your attorney. Your attorney will be sent notice of your reset, your attorney and your bondsman. So stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. This will conclude your case. Thanks for being patient with us this morning. You're free to go, Mr. Barber, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Adams, your reset will be sent to you. I think this is your only case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
All right, you too, Judge. Take it easy.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, court will be in recess.